So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to just press on this settings icon. So I'm going to just press on settings icon app, and now here you need to press on your Apple ID. This is the top one in your iPhone settings. So just press on this section where you will be able to see information about your Apple ID. So I'm going to just press on this, and now here you need to press on this option which says media and purchases. Okay, so just press on media and purchases, and here you will be able to see few options. You need to press on view account, and once this account window opens, you will see this option which says country/region. So I'm going to just press on this option, which is going to detect your Face ID and then open this country/region window. In order to change the country or region, you just need to press on change country or region option and then choose whatever country you want to choose. So let's say I will choose, in my case, Germany as the country. So I will just choose Germany. And every country have its own terms and conditions. So Apple will ask you to agree with those terms and conditions here. You can read all those terms and conditions. And if you agree with all these terms and conditions, just press on agree and then press on agree again. Once you do that, your country will be changed, and on this next window you will see the payment method options. If you don't want to give any payment option, you can choose none here, which is not going to require anything on your part. And then you just need to give your address here. So I'm going to provide my address, and once you have provided all the information, you just need to press on next here. And once you do that, you have successfully changed your country and region on your iPhone. Now just press on done here, and once you are done, you can go to App Store and try to install an app which you want to install and which are allowed in your country. Let's say I want to install TikTok. I will just search for TikTok here, and I can find this TikTok app here. So this is how you can change the country and region on your iPhone. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.